All right, let's have a look at this next one. Y equals ln of x plus 1 plus 2. I can see that I have a horizontal shift of 1 to the left, and I have a vertical shift of 2 up. Okay, remember that the horizontal shift will define where my vertical asymptote is. So I have a vertical asymptote at x equals -1, and I know it's been shifted up by 2 units. I also have a look at my a and my b value, and I can see that both are positive, therefore I'm going to have a log graph in that shape. All right. Now, depending on what my horizontal shift is, that would give me my domain. And because my graph is going in the positive direction, my domain will go from -1 with a round bracket, because -1 is not included in there. It is my asymptote to infinity, and my range will be all real numbers. Okay, now I know that because this thing has been shifted to the left, I'm going to have an x and a y intercept. And I guess what's nice about that is I don't have to try and pick a point. I can actually use my x and y intercepts. So my x-intercept, when y equals 0, I have 0 is ln x plus 1 plus 2. So -2 is ln of x plus 1. E to the -2 is x plus 1. And so x will be equal to 1 over e squared take 1. Okay, so my x-intercept happens to be at 1 over e squared take 1 and 0. And my y-intercept when x equals 0 will be y equals ln of 1 plus 2, and ln of 1 is always going to be equal to 0, so that's equal to 2. And that gives me my 2 points that I need to be able to sketch this function along with my asymptote. Okay, so let's put it in. I'm going to -1 there. Okay, there's my asymptote. X equals -1. Okay, and e squared is around about 5. So 1 over 5 is around about 0.2 minus 1 is about -0.8. Okay, that just gives me an idea of where to put it. I'm going to use my exact value there anyway, so 1 over e squared take 1. It's not very clear, take 1 and 0. And here I have my point 0 and 2. I've got 2 values there, or 2 points. I can sketch my function. And that's y equals ln of x plus 1 plus 2. All right.